Go and bring one of those invites for me. Tony.
My brother, man.
That's the Tonero.
Where's our brother?
You don't want. Maleke is in Lagos coming tomorrow.
Bring water when you're
we also have a show. You know, this is the new album that they released. Something Maleke goes to church.
Yeah.
They have a show on the 4th.
Maleke goes to church.
Yeah. You have seen the album?
No.
The new song? The hit, you know?
I think
30 minutes.
Hey, the man I sent the argument.
Yeah, Maleke goes to church. It's a powerful one.
You have to make it real and let the church
It's a
be
good
real.
message.
Yeah.
Maleke, you have to make that church real.
Yeah. You know, Maleke grew up in church.
Yeah, me, I grew up in church. I learned all my music. I started in Catholic church. I started with drum, playing drum in the church. Even when my enemy was in prison, I was a choir master. You understand? Then when I was target political, whatever, I was a choir master in the full state. So it's a destiny. If God ordained you, there's no how. Anywhere you go, even inside the hole, God will
make it.
Back up. So anybody that witness will tell you, even paper took it that time, that Tony Kabaka born again in the prison.
Yeah.
They don't know. They take this today. I know, but I'm my enemy to God.
Yeah, but this is your new church that you started now.
Yeah.
When you went to
That's Rock of Ages.
That's the church you attend?
Yeah.
That's your church now.
Pastor Sazua is my pastor.
Oh, Pastor Zazua, Safle Road.
He's like a brother,
Yeah,
a father,
great guy, man.
everything.
I enjoy his preaching.
Oh, Sazua is so
I
powerful.
enjoy his preaching.
That's why I went there, because I always follow him up.
Zazua is a nice guy.
Yeah.
That is special invites
Welcome
to Tony Kabaka.
to Ogier
Confirmed.
Chief Doctor Osarodion Osagie.
Ekmen. Oviedo Pataki.
All white birthday party.
Party for purpose.
Oh boy, not be yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Why did they say Kabaka not go school? My parents they read this.
Baba, forget. Okay, Tony, may I ask you one question?
Hey, what my year school? I want to go augment or my year.
Oh, you have me, my brother.
Must I be
Tony,
a master holder before you recognize?
This is a question for everybody.
Yeah.
All right, including you talking, everybody listening to, including online.
Yeah.
Two persons.
Yeah.
One is extremely educated to the highest education level.
Yeah.
Went to school, get his PhD.
Yeah.
And another person only went to secondary school.
Yeah. Like
That
me.
that person that went to secondary school now hired the person that has a PhD to be working for him. Who is more educated?
I have a PhD holder in my office.
Exactly.
I have
So
as
the
a
person,
PhD.
for me, I believe that a person who is able to create an establishment,
Yeah.
to create an office for a person who went to write book in school, has more sense.
Yeah.
Because you have created a job for the person who went to school. So, you know.
Wisdom is
It's
different
not.
from,
It's
wisdom
not.
is different from knowledge.
There is, beside education, there's what we call street credibility.
That's the real education, if you ask me.
Yeah.
The real education is on the streets.
The street
Not
education is more than whatever we think.
Of course.
Well, the most beneficial for education is traveling.
Yeah.
When you're a traveler, you've been to a lot of places, you learn their culture,
So many.
you learn their
It opens
ways,
your mind.
You learn their
You see
some
things
you
differently.
are compelled to even learn their languages.
Yes.
So you go
Learn their food, learn so many
Learn
things.
how-
Can you guess how many languages I speak?
well, I won't be surprised if you
speak
speak
Hausa.
if you speak
I speak Hausa,
5 or 6.
I speak Yoruba, I speak Ghana.
As a
Ashanti.
mafia.
As a Barra boy, my father was a soldier.
Yes.
Transfer makes me to hear Hausa. I grew up in Artillery Barra, Kaduna, in Kakuri, and I grew up in Ojo Cantonment, the largest barrack in Africa.
Was it?
Ojo Cantonment.
In Lagos?
Yeah, Lagos.
Yeah, I heard of that
Then
place.
Ikeja Cantonment, from there to Mina.
Very big.
Mina Barrack, Mina.
Yeah,
So,
we were there
Yes,
too.
now.
I was there too.
you know, as a son of a soldier, you know, our father is
The
a
son of a
civil
soldier is a soldier.
that's why the blood is still flowing. Some people is still doubting me. Is Kabaka really a Christian because the blood of soldier is flowing with me?
Yes.
They in the church, God have a soldier.
Sure.
God have police. God have everything.
Of course.
So there's it's the disciples of God. There's army of God. This is why people don't understand.
Yes.
So they keep Kabaka. Am I enemy to God before you know?
We are all God's
I'll be
people.
close to God.
You know, the truth is, most times, you know, in this country, a lot of people are religion fanatics.
Yeah.
And they don't understand that there's a difference between religion. Religion is not supposed to be. It's a way of life.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
No, sorry. Tradition is a way of life.
Yeah, religion
because it's our foundation.
Yeah.
Religion is a choice.
Yes.
Right? You have tried both ways. And
That's
you
why they
found
say
solace-
salvation is personal.
It's personal.
very personal.
Yeah.
I don't know much about that as a local process, but I know that
Olokun in
My
the house.
mother was like, let me not compare you with my mother because she's late. My mother was a big princess.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
I feel blessed, Baba. Yeah, those are you blessing, man of God, and the Olokun. God sent. Oh, so God bless you, man. I'm too blessed. God keep blessing us.
Man, this is your birthday.
No, the guest list is very big. Matude Kemen is coming there.
Good.
I'll send invite
That's our
to
brother.
Osagie, SSG of those states.
That's my brother.
Ola Osula, Jackie Sula,
Yeah.
Maleke. I mean, everybody in those states.
Righteous man is
Righteous
coming.
man is coming.
Oris Wiliki is coming.
Okay, because you people have not played my album, so Kabaka is not included.
Tony Kabaka. Sorry, I need to steal your show for a little
Go
bit.
ahead.
Tony Kabaka, most times when I do writes up on him and I fight for him on social media, they don't understand. Tony Kabaka is a body of industry
It is a constitution.
on its own.
Constitution.
Most times,
Talk to them, Queen. Let them know.
I would like to call him the street professor, the hope
The
changer.
modern day
No,
Messiah.
he's a street professor in the
He's hope
sense
changer.
that he take out the ones that they have been rejected and
No.
you think is the worst.
No, but
he makes something out of them.
Queen, Tony have tried for everybody.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's my glory today.
Epa,
It's what I'm
in
enjoying
Italy alone.
boys, yeah.
In Italy alone, I have traveled more than 20 cities.
Yeah.
And everywhere I go,
Kabaka boys must appear.
we help him on the book.
Yes, now.
A birthday man now. Tony can help him, man. Yeah.
A birthday
Wow, man.
A birthday when
Wow, man.
the only thing I'm going to do for you, I will invite Jesus Christ.
But
Yeah.
I'm the second son.
Yes, no, that is why we invite your father.
You don't invite my father. My father go everywhere with me. Well, I'm only need me. We second son of
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I can call my father anytime.
Yes, so.
I'll call
And
my father
he will answer you.
every day.
Yes.
So I'm proud of you, brother.
You're welcome, brother.
And thank you for the love you shared in the
Where
community.
is the birthday taking place?
Who you going, Maki?
Yeah, my kid, that place is flat, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have a blast.
Wow.
Tanju in Canada.
Yeah.
It's also his birthday. It's also Adesuwa's birthday. She's first, third.
Third.
Yeah, I'm second.
That's
And
what
Tanju
Christmas.
is second.
And just now you mentioned some people in the present government. You did not mention people from my party. At least some of my party members should
No,
also
that-
It's
be
not a
there.
political
that-
birthday.
It's not a political birthday,
We're inviting
but
both parties. All
yeah,
parties.
I didn't hear the name of my people there.
Okay,
That's
people
why-
like who? Maybe
people like my pastor Osagie
is my father.
Yeah,
he's always with us.
you did mention that
Okay,
it's
no,
also
but the
invited.
list is long. Pastor Isaiah is going to be there.
Good.
But it's Tanju's man. I know Tanju is going to be there.
Yeah.
Pastor Isaiah is Tanju's man.
Yeah,
so,
Taju, fair Taju.
Yeah, Tanju in Canada.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Taju Omorige, that is my man, Taju Omoruyi.
Great guy.
A pie money him.
yeah. So
Yeah.
he's
Yeah,
going to be
so-
there. All the dope personality
Yeah.
who love good thing
Good.
will be there.
You're
You
welcome.
understand?
Some of them, this party is for a purpose.
Yes, we want every Edo unity person to
But
unite.
before your party, I hope you do some giveaway
Like what?
to your orphan.
Oh yeah, I want to do that on Friday. I
Uh-huh.
want to do that. That's a must, of course.
I know.
I mean, I'm the king of
That one must
Yeah,
include
of course, that cannot change.
at all.
So we have a big party on Friday
But for
at
me,
the
on
office.
this birthday, I am going to. One thing you did for me that I'll never forget is Tony Kabaka.
Yeah.
Although we come a long way,
Yeah.
was when the Diken came, when the present Oba.
Yeah.
Remember when he came from Europe
Yeah.
at the airport?
Yeah.
I was driving down, man. I saw Tony and over 500 boys.
What if I was 2,000?
Man, the full street, that's
I was out of that.
Igele mi ami awe Tony Oye APC youth chairman.
State youth leader.
A leader man.
How you make one man? How you make me say you never invite my people? You are
a state.
You are close to God.
It's a state.
You are close to God.
I will not forget say
that you don't state youth.
I'm very privileged to be with my Edo State APC youth leader.
Some say I not be youth. No, carry me go.
No, it's not about youth. Being a youth is not by age. It's about being able
to carry the
youth along. That's what makes you a youth leader.
Yeah.
You know, you can be a young.
Have I worked with old man? I'm always working with you.
That's my brother.
Of course.
I'm always working with you.
That's
How are you, my sister?
That's grandma's.
How you doing?
Yeah, grandma.
You're welcome. Yeah, I do big boy.
Yes,
you're welcome. Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
Huh?
You're welcome.
Yeah. So my people, thank you so much. It was a big surprise.
Nice having time with you guys.
Yeah, so to receive
nice I'm seeing the comment, I'm seeing the like. May God bless you all.
Yeah, they should continue to support your brother.
Yeah, continue to support Ambassador Dion. Please, because he's a cheerful giver. People like Dion need to be awarded as a global award.
Thank you so much.
I know the United States have given you a recognition.
Sure.
I think Nigeria will do the same too, by God's grace.
Amen.
Yeah. And you'll get there.
Amen.
And secondly, you are intellectual.
Sure.
So no dispute about that.
Thank you so much.
And international.
Yes, Americano.
You are blessed.
Eh? Baba, where even and me we life now. Where American passport in your pan. Okay. Don't worry, because I can go to America today and make money today. I can go to America today. Worst case scenario, I will turn on my Uber app. I'll make $200 today.
I know.
If I go to America,
today,
Baba, everywhere. I created this place in 10 days.
I know.
Now. This place we are sitting today, right now, I try to design it with our legends. You see Captain, you see Majek Pashek, you see Fela Kuti, you see Bob, you know. So I created this place in 10 days, and as I speak to you now, we have 4 persons working here. So in 10 days, I created 4 jobs in Edo State. So these are things we want to see on
There's
social media.
somebody that we're doing like you, even do more than you.
Yeah.
It's our father, is our mentor, although he's late. If you mention Captain Osa, you mention TV Joshua.
Yeah, TV Joshua.
TV Joshua picture.
Yeah, of course, it's one of our plans.
Well, he's a art giving man.
It's TV Joshua, yes.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, we want to put all our people, man.
Art giving man. We need people that do good.
In fact,
people that bless others. People that affect life of others. It's not about making man try to drag people down. Try to contribute on somebody's life.
Of course, make an impact.
Yeah. Try to create an impact or make an impact on somebody's life.
Sure.
So that God will also do his own on your side.
Yes.
God bless you. Life is just small.
Yes, so
live free in life. Or if you don't want to live free, then go ahead. You're welcome.
All right, guys. One love. Join me later on. To all you guys watching me right now, I don't want to do this birthday alone. I beg. I don't want to do them alone. I don't try. So this birthday, my budget is only 5 million naira. All decor, drinks, entertainment. That's not a lot of money for someone like Dion Osagie.
Yeah, I want to tell our brother, the artists all over Nigeria.
Yes.
Please, I want you all. Let me use my junior brother as a point of contact because the mother is our relative. Davido, you know your mom is from Edo State, a royal family. I urge you as a brother to celebrate with Ambassador Dion.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Because you are our brother that we are proud of.
Thank you so much.
I love you, brother.
Thank you so much.
It's not only you, other people's implies.
Yes.
God bless you as you celebrate.
Thank you so much.
Ambassador Dion, the God Sent Foundation.
Ekman.
God bless you.
Ekman. Tony, you are an orator, man. I was with you at is it Naomi Garden?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, when we did the drum festival.
Man,
you
know, have so much to offer, Tony.
Listen, when we did that drum festival, people don't know that Kabaka is. I have a lot of talent.
Sure.
Because I hustle in all round to make sure I live a better life.
Yes.
So that day I was drumming. Maybe some people have not seen it, some have seen it. I drum, I sing. And moreover, my father was a musician. The blood is flowing there. My father left the Bolivia band and joined the military during time of Ogbemudia. Samuel Ogbemudia.
Yeah.
Oh, Samuel Ogbemudia was the one that took my father into the military. So today I'm happy, and my family, they are all military. So that notwithstanding, I want you all, let's join hands together and make Edo a better place.
Sure.
Let's throw away sentiment.
Sure.
Let's throw away jealousy.
Sure.
Let's fly with one mind.
Sure.
Let's see what God has for us.
It will be so easy.
Yeah.
So easy if we come together.
Yeah, you that have not make it. You that have not make it. Have it in mind. God have not shut the door against you.
Amen.
You are still going to. God will open your door and you will make it.
Amen. Amen.
So
Amen.
please, brother, let's be our brother's keeper.
Amen.
Let's support each other.
Exactly.
So that it will be easy for me and you.
It will be so easy.
You know,
God
I
bless.
don't really know why we Edo people actually fight ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, the truth is, Edo State have produced a lot, it has contributed a lot to the social life in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Let's start. Sir Victor Waifu,
Yeah.
Benin. Osayemore Joseph, living legend, Benin.
Sonny Okoso.
Sonny Okosun, Edo. Majek Fashek, Edo.
Yeah.
Raskimono, I was shocked when Raskimono told me 8 years ago that he started his music from Benin.
Yes, in Joromi.
Isaac Black of blessed memory.
Yeah, we play. All these people you are mentioning, we play music together.
Oris Wiliki, Benin.
Yeah.
Righteous Man,
Liberty.
Benin.
Yeah.
Felix Liberty, Benin. Today Skills, Benin. Cynthia Morgan, Benin.
Even this other boy.
Davido's mother is Benin.
He is partly Benin.
Right.
He's Benin.
Goya now,
Yeah.
Benin.
Yeah.
My humble self, Benin.
Osagie, Benin.
Ambassador
Tony
Dion
Kabaka,
Osagie, Benin. Tony Kabaka, Benin. So
we have great people.
we are so blessed in Edo from the city of Benin is, when I was growing up in Benin, was the hub of entertainment. Now what is this with this new generation? You know, this one hating on this one fighting this one doing that.
Yeah.
That is why we are praying for consciousness. We need that consciousness to come back. Because when we were growing up in Benin, in the backyard, now we dey trek. We know they come waka, we know they come up for house. Go
This
back
house
outside.
go cook. You go give
We'll go
this
give
house.
this one.
Yes.
My mama will go
Today
back.
now you can't cook and give this house.
No,
Because
no,
you want to
you want to take my picking glory.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So there's so much. Satan has put in so much fear into the hearts of men that they no longer know that the Creator is one. Whether you are a Christian, you are an Olokun person, you are a tradomedical person, you are a Muslim, we serve one God. We are all children of God. Like I tell people every time, Olokun is the firstborn of God, because Olokun is the owner of wealth. Is the owner of everything that makes a nation. Everything that makes a nation great is underneath the water. So I don't know why you're all running away from yourselves. Tradition is a way of life for us. Why Christianity is a religion for those of you who believe in Christianity. But still, let's keeping it real. Keep loving ourselves. Keep giving love and spreading love. Because Ambassador Dion Osagie, I think your 40th is we should have tagged it 40 years Akobe, because that's what you define, and that's what you practice what you preach. That's one thing I like about you.
Of course.
You practice
what are we
you
fighting
preach.
for, man?
You understand? So like Brother Tony said, he was so right. He's so right. He's so right. He's so correct about coming together with one force. Let's be united, Edo people. So keep supporting Ambassador Dion Osagie. No more hate. We love you.
Self-hate, yes.
Yeah, God loves you all. My brother's birthday is coming up. Ambassador Dion Osagie, the God Sent Foundation.
Yes.
Please, I want the world to celebrate a good person like him.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Because he's a giver, he's a cheerful giver.
Thank you so much.
It's not all that have that gives.
It's true.
It's not everybody that have that gives. Some have, they don't give.
It's true.
So the person that have good heart of giving, it should be celebrated.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
I love you guys.
Thank you so much.
Please, we want to have a dinner now. Let me say hi to you all again. May God continue to bless you.
Amen.
If you have not married, God is going to give you a good wife.
That's the pastor.
If you don't have a wife, a husband, God is going to give you a good husband.
Amen.
Your business, your empowerment will come this year.
Amen.
I love you all. God bless.
All right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us right now. Don't forget to support our birthday plans. I'll be back again this evening to talk to you more about it. For now, write it down. Write it down. Write it down. When you talk. Write down my account number. This was Azoa.
Birthday coming.
Yes,
big
sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna shut Benin down, man.
Yes, sir. First and only biggest birthday celebration ever.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be bomb. Bomb.
Okay, the thing they cost, no sound. Okay. Okay, if you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. How far now? If you can hear me, let me know. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, let me know.
Success Money, Optimal, they are following me.
Okay, you can hear. Okay. All right, good. All right, good. So please, the birthday is not going to be easy.
You have not mentioned Success Money and Optimal.
Yeah,
Empire.
I've already invited them.
Yeah, Success Money, Optimal Empire. Please, you join me to celebrate the second son of God. This is the second son of God.
Utane.
Not go there. Oh.
Yeah.
Except if they do like him. If you don't do like him, not jealous.
Abi?
Try to do like him.
Exactly.
People wey dey jealous na not cross gutter.
At all.
Na back of gutter you
Let me
dey.
take picture. Mo take some pictures.
Yeah.
Mo take picture with the Godfather.
The gods are wild.
Birthday picture.
Yeah.
This is your phone.
The princess
You put your WhatsApp on there.
Obiye.
I love you, bro. My way always short video clip back.
Yeah.
Let's take photo. You wife, Vakpa.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I just say.
Okay, yeah, not different ones.
Yeah, put it on there.
Yeah, that's my brother, man.
She.
All right, thank you.
All right.
All right, my people. Okay, let's see how many people are there to support me now. Not be, I love Dion Osagie, not be to the talk for Mato. Okay, so please, somebody should.
I love you too.
Please help me my phone. Let me get my account number.
She was in America.
I love you.
You always tell me some rasta things.
I love you, bro.
I love you, sister.
I love you so much.
Talk. Help me with that for me. I get my account number. May they send me money.
To be with you today.
Yeah.
You know, I want people to know that.
That's Tony Kabaka.
Yeah.
And really and truly, the great God of creation has chosen to arrest you to become a soul winner for Christ.
And God will also arrest you too. Let me know.
Okay.
Come and join our crusade.
Okay. Well, I'm a good preacher, woman. You know.
I know, but you follow
Happy
the
Sunday.
rasta.
Happy Sunday.
Come back to Christ.
All right.
Happy Sunday.
Well, I pray for long life.
Thank you so much, Clement. May I bring my account number now? They don't they ask me now.
You know,
I beg. When I wait, I
you
beg.
have planted so many.
May I give them my account number? My good people of Nigeria.
In the name of Jesus.
Now, picking will they try. Now, people will they try for.
Mama Oloko is pray to God.
Please hold on, guys. Let me get my account number, okay? Just give me.